Hello, today I will guide you on how to use the Excel PMT function to calculate the monthly loan payment amount. The PMT function helps calculate loan repayments, the amount you need to pay monthly. Let's say you're borrowing $500,000 with an annual interest rate of 5%. No down payment for 20 years and a balloon payment of $20,000 at the end. In this case, the balloon payment is entered as a negative number because it's a cash outflow. Meanwhile, the loan amount is positive because it's the money you're receiving. Now let's calculate the monthly payment using the PMT function. Click on the cell next to monthly payment. Then click on the FX insert function icon. In the search box, type PMT and press enter. Select the PMT function from the results. Enter the monthly interest rate. Enter the number of total payments. Enter the loan amount. Enter the balloon payment as a negative number. Leave this blank if payments are made at the end of each period. Now click OK and Excel will calculate your monthly payment. And that's how you use the PMT function in Excel to calculate loan payments. This function is especially useful for personal budgeting or financial planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.